I see raindrops.
Raindrops falling on my head.
But you know what? That's okay because we have a top. You're gonna lift the top out, like so. It helps if you unlatch the back and do the front first, by the way. C2 knowledge. Who said you can't drive a Corvette in the rain?
Well, let's not make a habit of it.
No, but you know, it happens.
It does. Occasionally a rainstorm will pop up.
Ready? I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away.
Oh my Lord.
Hi everybody, this is Christopher, and the guy behind the camera as always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away.
Let me take it away. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm gonna put the phone number above Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down. Call us about this Corvette or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time, and also like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help me, help Chris help you. And when you subscribe, hit the bell because then you get notified and we make cool stuff like this. And also, if you want full photo sets of these cars, interior, exterior, engine bay, undercarriage, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com, and you can see it all there. But for now, Chris, tell us about this Corvette.
1963 Chevrolet Corvette Fuelie. This is a fuel-injected 360 horse L84 motor. This is my favorite color. It's Daytona blue. White convertible top that, as you can see, is put away, and it's got the black interior. This is a numbers matching car. It's got 411 rear gears, Positraction, power brakes. It's a numbers matching engine and transmission. I love the look of this car. I do like the Fuelies a lot. I think it's cool, the red, white, and blue on the side. I love the badging. But it's, I don't know, the C2s are the best looking cars, I think. We have one C1, and that's a pretty nice car, but these are easily my favorite Corvettes, and it's no wonder why. First was the pop-up headlamps. Zora made these. This is the great Zora, the man you've heard about in Corvette lore. And I mean, it doesn't get much better looking than this. I think it's one of the most iconic cars made. And it's a Fuelie. Why don't we just start it up, take it for a spin?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
We're doing it live.
We are absolutely live.
This sounds very nice.
It does. And I just love the Daytona blue. I know
Oh, it's a good color.
Absolute favorite car as far as your C2 cockpit.
I love C2 Corvettes. My favorite generation, probably.
I think so. That C1 is pretty nice, but I don't really like this one. Oh, it just shifts like butter.
And you know what I like about this C2? The clock works.
Oh.
The clock is ticking, and below that clock you have your air controls and a radio that's mounted vertically, which I've also always loved.
A radio?
Radio, and then you have your manual shifter down here, your ashtray right next to it in case you want to take up smoking, but don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. And then you have your little plaque with your shift pattern there, and Chris is getting a phone call.
I am, but we're about to be out of range. Because we are driving, sadly.
We are driving.
Oh boy.
On my side, you also have a glove box. Oh look, we have an owner's manual. Very cool.
You don't see those that often.
Love the owner's manual. Yeah, I love having an owner's manual. It's awesome. You also have this awesome gauge cluster over there, right in front of Chris.
Love it.
My favorite gauge cluster of all. And the lighter for the cigarettes over by the gauge cluster. Again, if you want to take up smoking, but don't.
First year of the C2?
First year of the C2, yes. C1 Corvette ended in 1962. And then they went to pop-up headlights. And look, another Corvette.
I know, with pop-up headlamps, that's a C3.
A C3 Corvette there, look at that. But I love the C2.
Oh, yeah.
And manual top, like you said, it's a white top. I prefer the manual top because it's never going to break. You're never going to have to worry about the motors going out or anything like that.
Exactly.
Which is very nice.
Oh, this drive's so nice, too.
Well, yeah.
My goodness.
The C2s also shift like butter. Every one I've ever driven with the manual
I think it's this Muncie.
shifts like butter. It probably is.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I see raindrops.
Raindrops falling on my head.
But you know what? That's okay because we have a top.
We do.
You want to pull in here and we'll put our manual top up?
Oh yeah, we better do it in a hipped up hurry. Oh my goodness.
Wasn't supposed to rain today. What the heck?
What the heck is indeed the
Yes.
question.
You're gonna pull into this parking lot on some flat ground and
Let's show the people to some stuffs.
yes, the
Oh
top.
boy, it's coming down.
I know. Hurry up and get over here.
Oh, detail's not gonna be happy with us.
Oh, that's okay. It's just a little water.
They're good friends.
Cars can handle water.
Yes, they can.
We'll clean it when we get back. All right, this is good. Neutral. We're gonna put the parking brake on,
Please and thank you.
and I'm gonna get out. We're gonna keep recording.
We're doing it live.
This is a quick process. So if Chris can ever get out of this thing, there's
It's a
latch
tough one.
under here. I'm gonna pull. Ah, there we go. Top's right there. You're gonna lift the top out, like so. Lift the back up. Hold on. Sometimes you have to put those back. Then put this down. Nice. This goes down into the holes. Make sure they're in there. Very nice. And then get the sun visor out of the way. And latch the front. Here, hold Gumbel and I'll get those.
Get Bryant.
You hold Bryant.
I got Bryant.
No. It helps if you unlatch the back and do the front first, by the way. C2 knowledge. Okay, and now I'm going to do the back. Ah, nice. All right, let me get yours.
Please.
And we're latched.
And we're latched.
Oh, I'll take Bryant.
Bryant.
Bryant Gumbel. That's what we call our gimbal, by the way. All right. And just like that, our top is up and we can continue. And we also have manual cranky windows,
Cranks.
which means you don't have to worry about those motors going out either. Love that. Crank up your cranky window. And look at that, we're out of the rain. Barely even got wet. Where are our wiper controls? Ah, they're over there on your left. Look at that. And, oh, they work really well, actually.
Just like a Corvette one. Gotta love them.
I don't think we need them on the whole time. It's not raining that hard.
Whoops.
You tried to pull the cigarette lighter out. Yes, all the controls have the same shaped knob, so unless you read them, they all look exactly the same.
They park. Nice.
Yes, they park down in the low position. I like how they go in opposite directions too.
It's a Corvette thing.
It looks like it's waving his little arms around. Very nice. Here we go.
Are we headed back to our
No.
flyby place?
We'll keep going. Oh, our flyby place, yes.
Nice.
It's just sprinkling. It looks like it's going to stop any second. Although it could get worse. It is Missouri.
Yeah, just wait. There'll be a snowstorm in a half hour.
There could be.
It's so crazy around here.
Oh, your quarter window's open.
Sure is,
That's
but I like
okay.
the breeze.
I do like the breeze too. I'm going to open mine. And the cool thing about these is that they're
It's a
crank.
roll. I know, it's so neat.
It's very easy to use. I like that. We do have one speaker up here on the dashboard. Oh, there's our wipers again. Very nice. One speaker up there on the dash if you want to listen to your radio.
The old radio.
This top is nice too. It seals very well in the back. A lot of these C2s, and it's just the way that C2 Corvettes are, leave a bit of a gap back here in the back, but this one seals good. Lovely.
Lovely.
It clips into place very nice. It's a one-man job, really. I just happened to have Chris here, so we could do it with two people, and he could film it. But oh, good, you turned the parking brake off. I forgot we
That's a good idea
used that.
time.
Yeah, this thing drives awesome.
It does.
And if you get stuck in the rain, it's a very quick and easy process to get it up. Very nice. Very, very nice.
I think so.
Yeah, we might not be able to do flybys because it's raining, but we'll switch spots. And
we'll
I'll still
drive
put the
back.
mics on the back and
So you can hear us.
get some good exhaust noise. Some V8 noise.
Yeah, this
It is
V8
nice in here.
327 is, oh, hello.
So Joe, for spouse with the blood.
Our radio works. And he's getting a call at the same time.
Oh.
Anyway, what I was doing was,
Co-heirs to eternal life, and may praise and glorify you for
Oh,
your
this is a
Son.
church channel.
hey, we're listening to church, but the radio works very well.
loud,
The volume
actually.
knob works. I can tune it too. What else is on? There's got to be something else on the radio, right?
Got to be.
Maybe there isn't.
Well, it's possible. That was the best channel we got.
Oh. I think this is still church.
I think we got it.
It is. But at least we know the radio works. And look at those wipers. Who
Those
said you
wipers.
can't drive a Corvette in the rain?
Well, let's not make a habit of it.
No. But, you know, it happens.
It does. Occasionally a rainstorm will pop up.
And we're almost at our stop sign.
And ladies and gentlemen, there will be no beat test today. I called it off on account of rain.
Maybe a little one, but yeah. There's
411
also
years, dude.
a Chevy Traverse in front of us, so we won't be able to go very far anyway. Here we go. Second gear action. Do we really have 411 gears?
Yes, we do.
It feels short. It's peppy. Oh wow, there's
Wow.
third. It really just kind of puts you back in your seat a little bit.
It does. It's a bit shocking.
A
For
bit
1963.
shocking. Yeah, I know. It's not a new car by any means.
No, but it's absolutely an excellent looking car, ladies and gentlemen. Excellent.
Hey, and we got a nice horn.
Forgot to do the horn earlier.
This is cool.
I like it. Oh, hello.
And we're at our normal flyby spot, but
Yeah.
we won't be doing any today.
We're just gonna hop on down there and let switch spots.
Yeah, I don't want Chris to get all wet.
I don't want to be soaked,
He doesn't need to be standing outside.
especially with Brian Gumbel.
Yes, yeah, Brian Gumbel doesn't need to get wet either, or the GoPro.
No.
No, 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 no.
Exactly.
I wonder where I'm going to mount the GoPro. I could put it back there on the deck lid.
Can it be okay getting wet?
Yeah. Oh, no, I'm not going to put it outside.
Good idea.
I'm going to put it in here. All right, ready to switch?
Let's do it.
Hold this